In this video, we're going to be showing you how to remove your winter safety cover come springtime.
We will first clear debris from the pool cover by either blowing the leaves and other objects off the cover or using a leaf net to pull the debris off. It is important to do this as you will reduce the amount of vacuuming and skimming after by cleaning off the top of the cover.
To remove the cover, you need to remove the springs from the grommets. You can do this with the safety cover installation and removal tool as shown here. After the attachments have been removed, toss the ends onto the pool cover and then prepare the rest of the grommets so that they are flush with the pool deck. In this example, we are using an Allen wrench which is attached to a socket. After all the attachments have been tossed onto the pool cover, it should be folded onto itself from one end and pulled off the pool, sliding over the water. The best method is to fan fold the cover onto itself as shown here.
If you do have a large yard, you can pull the cover in its entirety so that it dries completely first.
Thanks for watching.